Get ready, it's Dorky Girl vlog time. Oh yeah! What's up, internet? We just finished cleaning out the room. There was a bunch of wood and stuff in here that my parents just decided to throw in here. And my brother marked up the wall. You can't really see that well, but like right there and there. If I point it out, you can see it. So I'm gonna retouch it up with my awesome paint. You can vlog me doing this.
We're gonna paint happy clouds.
I don't get anything on me. Just a touch up. My mom just asking Ashton, is it okay? It's so funny. Look how light this is. And then it dries that color. It always dries darker, but like that's like white and it turns into, that's craziness to me. Paint is mind-boggling. Alright, I think that's good. What do you think?
Yeah, you might want to touch up a few spots.
What do you mean?
Like that, this right here.
This too. There's white in here. Get it on my pants. No! Some right here. Ashlyn, just go to the hall. Why is she like taking forever? There's some right here too. This like whole section. Nice second coat patching skills. I'm just kidding. There's some over there, yeah. Looking good, looking good. I don't see any more of those little spots. Told Chuck we're beginning to spell word. Word. Chris made a rocket.
And it's balanced almost right where it should be, right about there. Out of, you know, the spinner fireworks.
Out of a straw and paper.
Tape.
And tape and a firework.
I wonder
a spinny
if I should
firework.
put a bottle rocket in there. Just to... It's tempting.
Chuck's not even looking.
Maybe next time, next time.
Okay, let's go light it.
Alright.
Before I have to leave.
One final look. A masterpiece made out of the spinning thing for the engine.
The spinning thing.
And straw guide rail, straw thing, paper.
Paper.
All the shit.
Should I be standing back?
Give me a second to figure that one out. No. It's
Chuck,
angled away from us.
try to take a picture.
I'm recording.
I need a picture.
Hey, I got an idea. Let's use the base for a holding thing.
As it lights off the other ones.
Chris is lighting the rocket. See what happens here.
Setting the guide rail.
It's a tad bit cold out.
It's a bit nipply.
Yes, it is.
I Bresco inside.
I'm Brusco inside. That's funny.
Okay, there we go.
How's it going there, champ?
Time fuse.
Run! Run. Oh, God!
Oh my God!
That was actually
It actually made it off! We got flights!
Oh my God, that was awesome. Look at all the smoke surrounding Chuck. Awesome! Alright, internet, I am home. I am sitting at my computer right here so I can put you guys on it to edit. We have an exciting day planned for tomorrow. Today was rainy, couldn't really do much. Got up late, so we did some cleaning work and painting, as you saw, and then we went to Chris's, and then you saw the rocket. So it's pretty short, but, you know, that's what we did today, because it kind of sucked because of the rain. But tomorrow will be better. So please subscribe if you haven't already. Stay tuned for tomorrow's more awesome video, and I will see you guys in the AM. Love you guys. Good night.
It's That Famous Story Girls vlogs. Yeah!